ohmathgad.
Oh math God guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to rotate a polygon 90 degrees. In this case, we're going to be learning how to do that with a triangle. So let's begin. So guys, the first thing we have to know is that when we're translating a polygon, in this case a triangle, any point on the coordinate plane that is rotated 90 degrees, taken from point of reference, the origin, the resulting image is going to have the same value of y, but in x, and the opposite value of x in y. What does that mean? That if you have a value of 1 for x and 2 for y in the beginning, then you're going to end up with a value of 2 of x and minus 1 of y, okay? So that is going to be very much the formula. So if you had x in the beginning, you're going to have minus x as your value of y. And if you begin with a value of y, you're going to end up with that same value, but in your value of x. Okay? A little bit confusing, I know. But let's try solving a problem, tackling this problem of rotation, where we're going to be rotating 90 degrees with our origin, our triangle DEF, where D is 0, 5, E is minus 2, 8, and F is minus 3, minus 5. Okay, so let's begin. So the first thing we're gonna see is that we're gonna look up for our image. So our image is going to be D0, 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna have our value of E is going to be minus 2, 8. So minus 1, minus 2, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to get a value of minus 3 comma minus 5. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And that is going to be our triangle, right? So 0, 5, minus 2, 8, and minus 3, minus 5. So it's a very elongated triangle that we're going to be seeing. Right? And then what we're going to do is that we're going to be rotating that triangle 90 degrees, right? So the way in which we are going to do that is using the formula. Okay, so if D was 0, 5, D, the image of D is going to have 5, which is the value of y I had in the beginning, and a negative, the value of x. So negative of 0 is still 0. So E, the image of E is going to have a value of 8, right, on x, and it's going to have a value of positive, the value it had of x, so now it's going to be 2. And the value of F, the image, is going to be minus 5 and plus 3, right? So we're interchanging the values of x and y, and then the negative of the new value of y, right? So now we're gonna graph them. So we're gonna see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 0. And then we're gonna see 8 and 2, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And we're gonna see that we have a value of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and 3. So 1, 2, 3. And when we draw the lines, we're gonna see that this is going to be our image for our pre-image, which was, so in this case we have D, E, and we have F. And now we have our image, our initial image, which is D, E, and F. and it's going to be our pre-image, because it was before we rotated it around the origin, which is the point there. So guys, if you follow the formula, which is pretty simple, by rotating any point 90 degrees, then by doing every single point or vertex on a polygon, you are also rotating the whole image 90 degrees about the origin. So guys, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!